Hey everybody, let me show you what I got from Temu. I'm sure you can get it anywhere, but I'm a Temu girly. But before I do that, let me introduce myself. I'm Quanda, the face behind Crafts by Q LLC. I am on TikTok at QUDU12, on Instagram and Facebook as Crafts by Q LLC. Go follow me over there. Go look at my stuff. Go follow my stuff. Go subscribe to my channels. I know y'all. But anywho, we ain't gonna talk about it. Whatever. Whatever. Don't talk about it. Don't talk about me. As I always say, I'm sensitive. But look, y'all. I ordered this. I'm gonna turn y'all around this way. Oh, like my channel, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that notification bell so you'll be alerted every time I put up a video. You don't want to miss nothing I got to say. All right? All right. So, this is what I got, and I'm going to assemble it. It's these hooks, and we're going to try to do it together, okay? But, you see, I have two Cricuts, right? And I want to free up my space, so I'm going to put that Cricut on top of this Cricut, right? That Cricut does not do print then cut. This one does. That's my first one. This is my second one. And I purchased it because it did not do print then cut, okay? And it was out of warranty, so I couldn't. Well, it was out of warranty, so they wouldn't replace it. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these wheels, these legs on this one because it's right here. Okay. So I'm going to take everything out and we're going to see if I can get it done. We're going to see if I can get it done. And y'all, I actually bought another Cricut too. Y'all. Well, it's a dress gown. I'm using it as a gown. Don't talk about my fupa, okay? And I'm gonna leave this up and put it out there. Anywho, and I'm ashy, so don't talk about it, okay? Do not talk about me. You know I'm sensitive. All right. So let me get the directions. This is all it came with it, okay? It says you were born creative, a Cricut Extra 7-inch legs installation guide. All right. Thanks for your purchase. We hope you enjoy these legs. Please follow the guide to install. Turn the machine. I hope this don't mess up my machine. It might make me do a calibration, but let me unplug it. Okay. It says turn the machine upside down and remove the original rubber feet. Oh, y'all, this is heavy. This is heavy. Oh, it said remove the original rubber feet, which is this. All right. Okay. And spacers and screws at the 4-stand base. What? It says turn the machine upside down and remove the original rubber feet, spacer, and screws at the 4-stand. Okay. I need a regular screwdriver up here. Oh, okay. Lefty, righty, tighty. Which way am I going? Lord, I gotta go this way. Yeah, I hope this is gonna be simple. Okay, this is screw, but it says rubber feet. That's the rubber feet, spacer, and screw. That's a screw. What's a spacer? I just got home from work, y'all. I done drove. I done stopped on the side of the road. Well, technically, 3 times. So it took me, I think the first one was probably like 15 minutes. I swear I wasn't there long, but I got to sneeze. Oh, bless me. Oh, bless me. But that last one, I knew it seemed like an hour. But I don't think so because it's just 11 o'clock, I think, which means I didn't sleep as long as I thought I would. All right, you got 4 of them. Let me move y'all over a little bit. Let me move you over a little bit. Maybe. Okay. A little better. I wish they had somebody who can do this for me, but since I'm it, then tag I'm it. You know what I mean? Okay, so we got that out. I don't know what the spaces are. I don't know what the spaces are because this look like it's part of the and I'm ashy. Don't talk about it. Okay. Install the legs to the machine by using our attached screwdriver, screws, and washers. Okay. So let's go this way, right? Those are round in there. This is not round. This is yeah. I think they got me. Because ain't nothing round about this. Nothing. Nothing at all is round. These are, it said it fits a Cricut. I mean, honey. Was I supposed to put it at the bottom and on top? That's China for you. I should have put some glue on this to make sure it stay. I still might put some glue on it. Because what is all this extra stuff for? Okay, I'm going to do what it tells me. I'm going to follow directions, y'all. I'm following the directions. Because this just don't look right. And y'all, I always wonder what's the use of a washer. Like really, what it do? What it do? Nothing. No purpose. No purpose at all. No purpose at all, I tell you. It looks like it's supposed to fit though, but we don't see. But I was excited about this. I don't know how much it costs. Probably too much for Temu. But I am gonna stick me some glue. I did tell you I was gonna stick some glue on there. But what if I want to get it out? All right. So that was one. Install the legs. That's two. Usually ends here, but if you are concerned about slip and table protection, you can paste our attached rubber mats on the legs, which are these. Which this is what I'm gonna do. All right. And then it says turn the machine over. Now she got legs. Maybe they just gave me some extra stuff. Oh, you know what? This was supposed to go on the bottom, not the top. But now we're here. Now we are here. So I'm going to take this one and go over here. Okay. I wonder if you, even if you need this up, I'm going to put it down. Because I can't put nothing on top of it, no way. Oh, yeah, it do need to be up because I got to be able to push the button. Okay. Yeah, look. Ugh. Now I got space. Now I have space. Now the problem is, I don't know. Somebody didn't think this clear. They didn't think this good enough. Because when it's down here, you can't push the button. But if it's up in the back, I can't plug it in. Yes. I mean, good intention, but yeah. I'm gonna push it forward because I don't want to push this back anymore. And that's just what I gotta do. Ugh. All right. The problem is all my stuff is not gonna fit on here. Okay. Yeah, look, I did it in less than 5 minutes. And guess what I don't like to do? Keep stuff. But I'm gonna keep these nails because they look pretty good. I'm gonna keep this. I keep that too. And these washers. That's all I was coming on here for. That's it. That's it. That's all. That's it. That's all. And I got this little apparatus here that I'm gonna put this stuff in. Who is hurting for me to keep some stuff? It ain't hurting nobody. I ain't hoarding. Every everything got its place. I really don't want this though. Cause who? I got enough tools in this room. This crap one right here. So I'm not gonna keep it. I'm gonna throw it away. I'm gonna throw this away. This is already trash. It should have been in the trash. All right, y'all. Let me show you what I was talking about. This is how I got it open. See, if I close it, I'm unable to push the start button and the play button and the go button. Can't do that. But while it's open, how do I plug this in? And I'm hiding my sticker, but that's okay. I got stickers up there. So what I did was I pulled it back some so that the top machine is in the front, and I pushed the back some so to be level with the back. All right. That's all I got, y'all. All right, y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to my channel. Look, y'all be here rocking with me. Y'all rocks with me. But you don't follow, you don't subscribe, you don't turn on that notification bell. How dare you? I love you, but how dare you? The audacity of you not subscribing to my channel hurts my feelings, hurts my heart. I'm hurt right now. I'm crying on the inside. I am crying on the inside. Do you want to see me cry? Do you want to see me cry? Don't you want to see me happy? My happy-go-lucky self that I always am? Don't you want to see that? Subscribe to my channel. Get my videos pushed out there. So I heard, like, the more that people subscribe to your channel, the more that the algorithm pushes your videos out. So that people get blessed by me and see me, because everybody want to look at me. You know what I mean? Yeah, like that I finally got my hair done. It's old now, but you know. Anywho, I ain't gonna talk about it. So that's all I came over here to do was show you my legs that I got. Bye. Y'all have a good day. Subscribe to my channel. Bye. I end it. Did it end? Okay, I gotta turn you on the side because this evidently I'm touching at the top and nothing's happening. So I got to turn you on the side so that I can push stop. And so just for a little bit, y'all, okay? You're going on the side.